Meanwhile, Chief Minister Biren also visited the flood-affected areas in Singjamei to take stock of the situation today. He shared a video of the inspection visit on X, stating that necessary measures are being undertaken to assist the affected families while preparations are underway to tackle and address any eventualities. He also urged all to remain calm and cooperate with the authorities for any issues and challenges. Manipur Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management Minister Awangbo Nyumai visited flood-affected Waikom Laikai in Imphal West District. He also inspected the Iril River overflow site at Sawambong Makha Laikai in Imphal East.